Hey everyone, what's up? Well, it's the 20th of December 2011. Gonna make this video for $78. There's no snow, believe it or not. It snowed once in November 23rd, you probably saw the video. And then after that it melted and we haven't really gotten any snow since. So we might actually have what we call a green Christmas instead of a white Christmas. Anyways, so we are witnessing yet another molt, believe it or not. Yeah, it's crazy with these moltings that are happening this month. So, as you probably have suspected, I did show this in my earlier videos, that Gretel, my largest Theraphosa stirmi, was in pre-molt, and now that's what she's doing right now. She's on her back and molting. Like I did for Daisy, the LP female that molted a couple of days ago, we are going to document her molting cycle and see how long this awesome Goliath bird eater will take Burgundy for. Right now it is 12:16 p.m. I have plenty of humidity in here. I'm just going to have to refill up the water bowl. So this is how I accomplished this. I blocked 90% of the ventilation and I soaked the substrate. And that's how I'm able to keep up the humidity in here. Alright, so it's 10 p.m. Time to check up on Gretel to see how well she's doing. Just gonna put this very carefully. Oh yeah, she's starting to molt. You can see the look along, she's pulsating. It's a good sign. Not sure if you can probably see. Oh, she's actually pushing out. Cool. Alright, so it's 10:30 p.m. Checking up on Gretel. Oh yeah, she's definitely molting, alright. Man, that is monstrous fangs, everyone. You can see that this is a Theraphosa stirmi and not the true Goliath bird eater. I mean the blondie, because you don't see the hairs on the patella. Man, I hate to be bitten by that, choppers. Sweet. She's looking amazing already. Alright, so when you're in the end of Gretel's molting cycle, she's actually fully complete. Let's have a look at her. You know, to be honest with you, she didn't really grow that much. She probably is still around the 10-inch mark. She's fully grown, so I'm not sure she's going to make it to the 12-inch mark. Theraphosa's usually average around 10 to 12 inches in size, but individuals kind of vary. But you know, I'm happy that she did a good molt. And you know, that's all that counts. Yeah, too bad it's not a blondie, but however, he's still happy. Just notice the color. She's got like a chocolate brown. Man, I can't wait to measure this molt. It's gonna be huge. Alright, so she's finally done. I actually caught the flip over during the Phonopolycalcodes mating attempt video, which you'll see in a bit. my god, what happened to her? That is such a strange molt. I don't think she molted out correctly. Due to the pinkness in the carapace, that's actually pretty strange. Alright, anyways, I'm going to give her plenty of humidity and leave her alone. She's nice and cute, that's for sure. But that color on the carapace is really starting to freak me out. Anyway, so here's her molt, and we are going to examine it. Measure it, see how big it was, and whatnot. Okay. So you can see the molt is pretty massive. It's about the size of my hand. Okay. So it's not very hard to see that it is a female by the epigastric furrow that you can see right over there. So I want to see how big she originally was. So take the ruler, tip the hind leg over the first leg, so it's basically here to here. She's actually a lot smaller than I thought she would have been. Lined up there. It's about almost 8 inches. Diagonally, she probably would have been about the same. Good 8 inches. That's really cool, though. Anyway, yet another molt to add to my collection. Awesome. So I want to thank everyone for watching this video. I'm going to put some humidity inside the tank so that way she gets plenty of humidity in there, and I hope she survives her molt. Don't think it went too well because of her carapace. It's really kind of making me a little nervous and whatnot, but other than that, I think she might do well. Alright everyone, thanks for watching and hope you liked the video.